Hi, this is Frida. Welcome back to part 4, how to crochet the popcorn star motif. Okay, I have unfortunately 16 minutes and 27 seconds. That's how it's taping, and it got me cut. So I'm continuing where I left, and I did my double crochet, and I'm going to do my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain. Then I'm going to make a double crochet, and then I'm going to chain 2, make a double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 2, and make a double crochet on top of the double crochet. I'm going to make my popcorn stitch on top of the popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The more you crochet this motif, you will get the idea. You don't even have to go back and look at it. Even this is my third motif. Like, I'm not following any chart or anything. Okay, so I'm going to do a double crochet on top of each double crochet. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're going to be decreasing here and increasing the cages. So I'm going to make my popcorn stitch on the next double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 double crochets. Go back, pull it, and then on the next make a double crochet. Always make a double crochet in the front and on the back, on the after and before. And then I'm going to chain 2. So always 2 chains for this motif, and then go on top of the double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Okay, so we're in the middle now. Let me pull up my sample. Okay, so we're right here. Okay, let me just... Okay, we're right here. Okay, so that's where I did my double crochets. And here we're going to do a popcorn stitch. And let me just grab my chart. So we're right here. We're right here. Get a closer look. Okay, we're right here. Gonna make our popcorn. And we're just gonna repeat what we're doing. Like, that's all to it, nothing else. We're just repeating. Doesn't this motif look nice? I love it. It's so exciting to crochet this. That's all I can say. Try to move these so you won't be distracted, but still you can see it in the camera, can't you? Oh boy. I can't run away with that. Don't want you to be distracted. Okay. So I did my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go back and do a double crochet. Okay, so continue crocheting like that. This is all we're doing here. We're just repeating on 2 chain. Nothing different. The only difference is that we're making popcorns in the middle. 1, 2, to give that lovely 3D look. 1, 2. Then make a popcorn. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will show you all the way to the end, and I will let you do the rest to go around, because we're going to be increasing here. Just like this, double crochets, nothing different. And then when we come to the top of the popcorn, we make a popcorn. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make the double crochet automatically. So we're going to chain 2 and then go on top of the double crochet. Going to chain 2, then make a double crochet, and then we're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, then make a double crochet, chain 2, make a double crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, and then chain 2, make a double crochet, and then chain 5 to make the popcorn. So continue crocheting all the way around, and when you come to the middle, make your double crochet, and I will meet you back right here. Well, actually, I'll meet you way back here to do the 2 popcorns on the next row. Okay, so I am back. I just wanted to show how to do the popcorn stitch when we're joining. I know it's in a bad spot here and I forgot to do the 2 chain. Well, we're all human. So I'm just gonna do my 5 double crochets to create the popcorn stitch. 3, 4, 5. Grab it and do my double crochet on top of the double. And then do the 2 chain, and I'm just going to join just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is the double crochet and 2 is the chain. So do a double crochet, 2 chain, do a double crochet on top of the double crochet, do a 2 chain, do a double crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, and I am going to make a double crochet on the next double crochet. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab it from here. Two chain. Oh no, sorry, not 2 chain. I believe we need to do 5, I believe. Was it 5? 1, 2 double crochets on each double crochets, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So our double crochets are decreasing in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to do a popcorn stitch on top of the popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like this. Grab it, do a double crochet on top of the double crochet. Okay, so this part is done like this. We're going to do 2 chain, go on the double crochet, do a 2 chain, double crochet, do a 2 chain, and do a double crochet in that 5 chain, and then we're going to make 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, and then make a double crochet on the same 5 chain, 2 chain, double crochet on top of the double crochet. This is how it looks like. 2 chain, double crochet on top of the double crochet, 2 chain, and double crochet on top of the double crochet. And we're going to do popcorn stitch on top of the popcorn stitch. Okay, so I'll meet you here, crochet all the way, do your decrease, your popcorn, and I'll meet you back. Okay, so we're right here. We're going to do a double crochet here, 2 chain, double crochet popcorn, double crochet, 2 chain, double crochet popcorn, double crochet, and then we're going to continue going all the way around. So we are increasing our popcorns on both sides. I just wanted to point that out. And so I did my double crochet here, and then I'm going to do my popcorn, just a regular 5 double crochets, 3, 4, 5. Just wanted to finish this before the video cuts me. Okay, so I did my popcorn. I'm going to do my double crochet on top of the double crochet, and I'm going to chain 2 and then go on to the double crochet, and then I'm going to do my popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. Then double crochet. Okay, so this is how we do our increases. Like the popcorns are gonna increase there. So 2 chain, 2 chain, double crochet, 2 chain, and go on to the top. Okay, so I'm gonna let you crochet. We're just decreasing this part, as I said, so our popcorn would be the next stitch on the chain. Okay, so I'm going to let you crochet all the way around, and I will meet you back where we're going to join here, where we're going to do our join here. Right here. I thought I lost my tutorial, so I'll see you